Well, welcome back everybody. Jay Smith here with another video. Been a while since we posted. Of course, I got a train whistle blowing in the background, but we're going to charge on here. Just some updates. You will notice I pulled the trigger, folks. I am fully on E6 Connect now. First impressions, my last system for the past 3 years was Jack Nicklaus Perfect Golf. Loving E6 right now. A couple of things we'll talk about here and some questions that I've had about my setup that I want to go ahead and continue to give some updates on, and then I'm going to show some videos later this evening of us playing some golf here actually on the E6. One thing I will just say right off the bat, they need to fix putting. I know guys don't, I know that we don't really play sim golf in the winter to become better putters, but between Jack Nicklaus Perfect Golf and E6, E6 is awful. I mean, sometimes on uphill putts, we blast them through the back of the screen and they go 6 feet. So, but anyway, we'll show some of that later. I do think it is a course by course type of configuration as well. And, some questions again, just on my sim, obviously check my other videos out about my mat system, my screen. I do have a Carl screen. Questions about why do I have so much gap between picture here? Well, unfortunately, you'll see a door there. You'll see a utility door there. I don't have the full room to be able to flip this screen sideways like you see a lot of really fancy, not even fancy, but just really nice, big, wide screens. I don't have that luxury, so I have to have mine here kind of on the 8-foot side. Questions about the projector. Yes, mine is mounted there. What do you guys do with cords? Well, for me, I ran an extension cord all the way over, down the wall and over to there. And then I ran my HDMI cable all the way down to here. Okay, yeah, this one here is kind of jank. It is, just hanging off the ceiling. But, there are some things out there that you can do, some wireless transmitters and various things like that to kind of help minimize your wires. Back to my inserts. I buy these off eBay. Okay, I do flip this mat around if I ever have one that gets torn up. We do use these tees like this that you find on Amazon as well. As mentioned in other videos, some guys like some different tee heights, so you can just cut these down as needed and have differing tee heights, for whatever preference a guy has as far as how high he tees up the ball. A couple of things with the E6 here. You can set your user profile, and you do have to log in. Unfortunately, you do have to log in every time. You have to type your username and password in. But down here we've got a lot of features as far as flyovers and hitting mulligans. And one cool thing is this, if you hit this here, this is practice mode. It allows you to basically then practice a shot. The other thing that this is a pretty cool feature is it also allows you to be able to check where you're going to be hitting the ball. So it's very, very critical on some of these courses like here where you've got these pop bunkers. From back here you can't really tell this elevation, with my screen over here. But when we get up here, I'm able to click all the way up here and basically determine where we need to do that. So when you have hit your drive, okay, that would be where you would be able to then hit this next, your next shot. What you need to do is you hit practice mode, okay, hit your little compass over here on the right corner, all right, and then just move your cursor around and it will take you and show you the layout and get to see the contours and any hidden items or things like that. So pretty cool feature, something that I like. But again, hey, I'm gonna sign this off for now. We're getting up about 4 minutes. I'm gonna post some videos later this evening of us actually hitting a few shots on E6, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.